Welcome friends, you have to seen Job Hunt 2.0 YouTube channel. It is a current affairs related channel. You will be get everyday current affairs. Today 1st June current affairs. Yes friends, 1st June current affairs you will be seen in this video. Let's start. Pharmacy acquires Medilife to create India's largest online pharmacy. Pharmacy has announced, yes friends, Pharmacy has announced the acquisition of rival Medilife, thereby creating India's largest online pharmacy. The deal will make pharmacy the largest player in the domestic online pharmacy sector, with the combined entity set to serve 2 million customers a month. The deal value the stake of Medilife shareholders at $250 million. Pharmacy announced acquisition of rival Medilife. It is the important line. Pharmacy has announced the acquisition of rival Medilife. Then they are creating India's largest online pharmacy. India's largest online pharmacy is Medilife. The deal will make pharmacy the largest player in the domestic online pharmacy sector within the combined entity set of serve 2 million customers a month. 2 million customers in the pharmacy. The customer buy some medicines. 2 million customers buy medicines in this pharmacy. The deal values the stake of Medilife. Medilife shareholder invest $250 million. Okay, next. Ravi Shastri's debut book titled Stargazing the Players in My Life. Ravi Shastri launched the new book The Players in My Life. Let's go to the details. Cricket all-rounder, commentator and coach Ravi Shastri. It is the important line. Who is Ravi Shastri, who is cricket all-rounder and commentator and also a coach, is now making his publishing debut as he has penned a book titled Stargazing. The Players in My Life. Stargazing the Players in My Life. It is the most important question. The book is being published by Harper Collins. The book is being published by Harper Collins, India. Here, India's publishers Harper Collins, where the Stargazing the Players in My Life, Ravi Shastri's book is being published in India's Harper Collins. It is been co-authored by Ayaz Memon. It is co-authored by Ayaz Memon. Ayaz Memon is the co-authored in this book. It is expected to release on June 25. It is the most important point. June 25, it is expected to released by Ayaz Memon, co-authored in this book. In the book, Shastri has written about some 60 extraordinary talents he has met from across the world who have inspired him. So, friends, we will see in this book there are many talents he has met from across the world who have inspired him. Who has inspired him, he met, and this experience he wrote in this book. The extraordinary talents he has written in this book. Okay, friends, next question, number 3. A book titled Savarkar has contested Largesse 1924-1966, authored by Vikram Sampath. Let's go to the details. Decorated historian and author Vikram Sampath has come out with the second and concluding volume of the book on the life and works of Veer Savarkar, titled Savarkar, a contested legacy 1924 to 1966. The book will hit the stands on July 26, 2021 under the publication of Penguin Random House, India. Penguin Random House in India. It is also a publication office in India where Savarkar, a contested legacy 1924 to 1966. The book will hit the stands on July 26, 2021. Friends, please remember the India's another publication. In the previous question, here written please you will here the publishers Hyper Collins. It is the Indian's publication office, and here we see the Penguin Random House. It is also a publication office. Okay, friends, next question 4. IFFCO introduces world's first nano urea for farmers across world. Let's go to the riddles. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, IFFCO. The full form of IFFCO, it is the most important line. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, the full form of IFFCO, has introduced the world's first nano urea liquid. IFFCO has introduced the world's first nano urea liquid for farmers across the world. According to an official statement issued by IFFCO, the world's first nano urea liquid was introduced in 50th annual general body meeting held in the online-offline mode in India. That means 50 annual general body meeting were held in the online-offline mode in India. IFFCO introduced the nano urea liquid for the farmers across the world. Understand, my friends? Okay, let's go to the question number 5. Who honors Dr. Harshvardhan for efforts in tobacco control? Okay, let's go to the details. World Health Organization, it is also a full form of WHO. It is the full form of WHO. Sorry, friend, it is the full form of WHO. Most important question, any competitive exams, most important question any competitive exams we have seen many competitive questions. World Health the full form of WHO. So friends, please remember what the full form of WHO. World Health Organization has awarded Indian Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, who has awarded Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan with who Director General Special Recognition Award. It is the most important line. Dr. Harshvardhan, Indian Health Minister, who has awarded by WHO the Director General Special Recognition Award for his accomplishment in the area of tobacco control. Every year, WHO recognizes individual or organizations in each of the 6 WHO regions for their accomplishment in the area of tobacco control. Okay, friends.